What's up everyone and welcome back to another tutorial. Today we're going to see how to use email templates in Microsoft Outlook. So firstly, open Outlook and click on Home, New Email, or press Ctrl+N. Add a subject line, type the body content you want to reuse including text, images, or formatting. Remove any signatures if you don't want them automatically included in the template and click File. Save As. In the Save As type drop-down, select Outlook Template and enter a file name for your template, then click Save. Your template is now saved and ready for future use. All you have to do is go to Home, New Items, More Items, then choose Form. In the Looking drop-down, select User Templates in File System. Find your template and click Open. You can customize the content as needed before sending, and you can edit the template, quick access, or consistent communication. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this. Please don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips and tricks like this.